Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla has proclaimed that fostering innovation, research and community engagement at Dhanamandiri University will catalyze growth and development throughout the state. He delivered these statements during the university's inaugural Convocation ceremony held at the campus ground today. During the proceedings, graduates were formally recognized and honored with their degree certificates. The event was graced by key dignitaries including DMU Chancellor and Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goyal, Ministry of Education Secretary Dr. Vinit Joshi, Vice Chancellor Professor Wahengbam Chand Babu and Registrar Dr. R.K. Jotin. Additionally, the ceremony was attended by several prominent academics and scholars. Addressing the gathering, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla noted that the ceremony represents a significant milestone in the history of the state-established institution on conferring degrees to its graduates. He congratulated the graduates and commended them for adding value to the convocation ceremony through their physical presence. Speaking to the students, he remarked that one never forget the roots of their institution and that their future achievements will bring continued pride to the university. He emphasized that these degrees symbolize the collective hard work and sacrifices of both the students and their parents. Encouraging the graduates to strive for excellence and contribute meaningfully to the society, the governor also highlighted the university's recent progress, stating that the institution has shifted its trajectory for the better over the past few years, which is reflected in its infrastructure, high-caliber academic delivery, improved graduation outcomes, and institutional governance. As a pillar of cultural and academic identity, the university remains vital to the region's intellectual landscape. In his closing remarks, he urged the students to maintain high aspirations and pursue excellence in all their future endeavors.
Institutions such as Dhanamandiri University have an important role to play in equipping students with skills relevant to the emerging knowledge economy while remaining rooted in the cultural values and social realities of Manipur. By encouraging innovation, research and community engagement, the university can continue to contribute meaningfully both regional development and national progress. Government of Manipur has been taking keen interest in developing Dhanamandiri University, though we may not have been able to provide the financial support it requires as a young university, but it's a strong and vibrant center of higher learning. It should emerge, and I'm very sure about that. Dear graduating students, as you enter the next phase of your life, I urge you to serve society and the nation with integrity, dedication and a strong sense of responsibility. Just to recall the words of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action. That's how a visionary is formed. He has to dream, then he has to convert it into some practical vision and deliver. So that's how you have to, young minds, you have to think a lot and dream about the state, about the country, about the world.